Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we show you how to use an integration to view information from a third-party news interface. First, consider why your organisation might need to view information from an external source. Many reasons probably come to mind. This example focuses on building a newsfeed to bring technology-oriented content into Applaud from sources located around the world. Feel free to use our example, adapt it, or try something completely different. To make the most of this tutorial, you'll need a basic understanding of models, pages, forms, and integrations. Check out our handy resources on these topics on the knowledge base and YouTube channel. Before we get started, make sure you have a model with properties related to the content you want to bring into Applaud. We've created one specifically for external news articles. We've called this Media Stack for illustrative purposes. We've included properties for title, description, image, source, URL, and more. Many of these property names already align with data fields we'll be using from the Media Stack API. Before you move on, make sure your model has the appropriate access controls in place for your use case. You'll also need a working connection to Workato. If you need a helping hand, check out our knowledge content. Now check you have the API information you need to successfully build your integration. If you're following along with our example, sign up for a free plan with MediaStack. From your account, you have access to the required authentication information, your unique API key, and request parameters with examples. In Applaud, head to Integrations from Admin Home. In the Assets tab, create a connection to your third-party application. If a pre-made connector doesn't exist, you can create one using a HTTP connector like we have for MediaStack. When you've successfully created your connection, it's time to build your recipe. Give your recipe a name and choose a location to store it. We're calling ours Load Technology Articles into Applaud. We want our recipe to automatically load new articles into Applaud on a specified schedule. Feel free to configure your recipe in the best way for your organisation. With your trigger in place, it's time to add your third-party application connection to the recipe. In this example, we're using guided setup to enter the API URL and set parameters. When you send your request, Workato will validate the request, allowing you to apply the configuration. Now it's time to add your Applaud connector to the recipe. We want our recipe to load data from MediaStack into our Applaud model, so we're using Action in an App and selecting our MediaStack model. Select optional fields available to reveal your available property fields. These properties need to be mapped with the data properties from MediaStack. As mentioned earlier, this is easier if your model property names are similar to those of your third-party application. When ready, test your recipe. Workato informs you of any mapping failures or other errors. Our test was successful, meaning our model is now populated with news items. In our example, we've created a list block on a custom homepage to see the items loaded into Applaud. Their primary action is the article URL. If you're feeling confident, you might choose to create an article detail page to display the whole article within Applaud. Finally, remember to start your recipe so it runs on your configured trigger. Congratulations! You successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.